It was quoted by Aristotle, the Greek philosopher, that man is by nature a social animal. By studying animals, we develop a better understanding of how human beings can interact with the world. The study of animals is called a zoology. The word is derived from Greek words zoon and logos. Zoon means animal, logos means study. Thus we got the word zoology, that is the study of animals. By definition, zoology is the branch of biology that deals with the entire species of animal kingdom. It helps us to understand how they live, grow, change, and survive. It includes the study of the structure, physiology, development, and classification of animals. It makes a huge impact on our world through the scientific study of the evolution, anatomy, physiology, behavior, habitats, and health of animals and humans. Animals can be grouped as single-celled and multicellular. Single-celled organisms are called as protozoans. The multicellular are called metazoans. In another way, animals are classified as protozoa single-celled, parazoa multicellular without tissue grade, and eumetazoa multicellular with tissue grade. Now let us look about the branches of zoology. Anthrozoology is the study of interactions between humans and animals. Apiology is the study of bees. Arachnology is the study of spiders. Cytology is the study of whales. Ecology is the study of how animals interact and react with their environment. Embryology is the study of the development and growth of animals from the embryonic stage. Entomology is the study of insects. Ethology is the study of animal behavior and can be applied to any given animal group. Herpetology is the study of reptile and amphibians. Ichthyology is the study of all fish. Mammalogy is the study of mammals. Myrmecology is the study of ants. Ornithology is the study of birds, including physiology, classification, ecology, and behavior. Paleozoology is the study of fossil animals. Physiology is the study of mechanical and physical functions of animals. Primatology is the study of non-human primates and is a specific branch of mammalogy. Protozoology is the study of protozoans. Zoography is the branch of zoology concerned with the description of animals. Zootomy is a branch of zoology concerned with the dissection and anatomy of animals.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, share it, subscribe our channel and enable the bell icon for future video notifications.